If you're trading and you're trading these small type symbols, a screener won't cut it for you. You'll be chasing just like everyone else. You need a scanner. A scanner is real time. It is actively updating every single second and pushing real-time updates to your screens to show you what is happening in the markets based on your filters and based on your criteria. The majority of you, I'm guessing, will most likely have a third-party paid scanner or some sort of third-party tool. You're essentially seeing the symbol load into the list after it's already made its move. So you're essentially reacting to the move and hoping for a second leg, hoping for a third leg. What can we do in terms of the data points we give you at TradeZero to help you to make decisions and catch the first leg? The truth beneath everything that moves in the markets when it comes to small caps, options, large caps, everything is price and volume. That's what it comes down to. How can we at TradeZero surface that price and volume to you guys in a way that's actionable? How do we surface insights to you in a way where you can then take trades based on those insights or choose not to take trade? Let's talk about the ProScanner itself and the features of the ProScanner. You can keep paying for those scanners where you have to manually enter those symbols into ZeroPro and our platforms, or you get the same symbols through ProScanner, through ZeroPro, through TZ1, right? Real-time filtering. We allow you to filter based on price, volume, flow, all the obvious ones, as well as the special source, which is allowing you to filter based on 1 minute price movement and volume, and the same for 5 minute, 15 minute, etc., etc. Let's take a look at an example. Let's remind ourselves of UGRO, right? So the setup on Monday, March the 23rd at 7 a.m. Eastern time, a press release hit the wire. Urban Grow, UGRO, announced a merger with Flash Sports and Media, bringing T20 Cricket League rights onto a NASDAQ-listed platform. Now, this is an excerpt from a video that shows the actual start of the move, and this is real time. The scanner caught the move at 253. Over the next 48 hours, the price of the stock rose to 56.40. When I opened the symbol, the price was sitting at 252. Let's look at this video in real time, and I see a question from Steve. Steve, this is not only with the paid platform, this is with TZ1, which is free, and it's also in ZeroPro, which is of course paid. But cool, let's have a look. So at this moment in time, it's 7:05 a.m. EST. I'm looking at MGRX. Immediately, I switch to UGRO. I've seen UGRO is up on the move. It's 17% up right now. Remember, look, it's 255 right now, 260 right now. It's not moving. It's 20% is fine, but look at that volume. These are 5-second candles. That volume is terrible. I'm looking for more like 20, 30K volume right now, right? I'm not taking any trades on anything where it's trading less than 20K per 5 seconds, right? So it's making a little push here. It's not giving me the confirmation that I need to take this trade. Remember, price can tell you one story. Volume tells you a different story. The price is telling us a story of 20% up. The volume is telling me that it's not really ready to make the move yet. Boom, here we go. 10K volume in the last 5-second candle. That's the highest volume candle we've seen. It's now moved a good 50%. So at its peak, 33.28. That hit 50%. It's now come back down. Of course, if you'd entered below at your own risk, of course, you could have exited somewhere around here. Now, look, that was the first leg. First leg's done. Now, the guys who are watching the top list are starting to come in, right? The guys who are reactive, watching the top list and not using a scanner, now they're starting to see the news. Now they're starting to try and jump in. You see here, it's having little movements here. The volume is increasing. Remember, these are 5-second candles, right? So every candle is a 5-second candle, and each one of these volume bars down here also represents 5 seconds. The highest volume we've seen so far is 15,000 shares traded in a 5-second candle. It's coming down here. I'm going to fast forward a little bit here in the interest of time. You see a nice little push there, 35K volume on that 5-second candle. It continues to drop. It consolidates. All right. Now the top list guys are really coming into play. The guys who bought initially selling off. And here, as you watch it, boom, we're making new highs. Heading towards the top, looking for a breakout. 308 and breakout. Just like that, right? Initially, you see here, this is where, if I just get my little laser pointer out, this is where we saw it. We saw it at the 245 level, okay, 253, that around there. It hit high. It came back down. The guys who are watching the top list and not being proactive about the way they trade, they then see it. Then they jump in. And yes, you can make money through both ways, but wouldn't you rather see it earlier than later?